We have two modular touch switches and one touch plate with us. We are now going to insert the touch switches into the touch plate. To do that, first we need to remove the plate and then insert the two modular touch switches into the panel segment. We have the phase and neutral wire with us. First, we need to loop the phase wire from the first device to the second device and then loop the neutral wire from the first device to the second device. Complete the connection as shown in the video. The yellow wire indicates the load wire coming from the appliances. Once the connection is made, we need to turn on the power. As you can see, the device has spun on. From here, you can operate the switches by tapping on the icons. And you can increase and decrease the fast speed. The connection has been successfully completed. Once that's done, set the plate on the fitment and the setup will be complete.